In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Mailchimp account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. First things first, to back up your Mailchimp information, you need to start by logging into your account. Head over to the Mailchimp website and enter your credentials to access your main account dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options on the left side of the screen. Now, the next step is to navigate to your contacts. In the side menu, you'll want to click on the Audience tab. This tab is where all your contacts are stored. After clicking on Audience, go ahead and select All Contacts. Here, you'll see a full list of everyone who has subscribed to your mailings and newsletters. Once you have your contacts displayed, the next step is to export your audience. Look towards the top of your contact list for a button that says Export Segment or Export Audience. This button will help you gather all your audience data into a downloadable format, so go ahead and click on it. After you click that Export button, Mailchimp is going to prompt you to confirm that you really want to export your audience. This is an important safety step, so just click on the Confirm Export button when prompted. Mailchimp will then start compiling your audience data. Depending on how many contacts you have, this might take a little moment. While you're waiting for the export to be completed, it's a great time to grab a cup of coffee or stretch a bit. Once it's ready, Mailchimp will notify you that your export is complete. At this point, you'll receive a notification allowing you to download the file. Typically, this file is a compressed zip folder containing CSV spreadsheets. This format is useful because it can easily be opened by spreadsheet programs, making it easy to view or manipulate your data. Now go ahead and click the download link in the notification. You can save this file directly to your computer or an external drive, whichever you prefer. It's always a good idea to keep backups in multiple locations, just in case something happens to one of them. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully backed up your Mailchimp audience. You can now rest easy knowing that your precious email contacts are safe and secure. If you ever need to refer back to this data or re-import it into Mailchimp or a different platform, you'll have all your essential information at your fingertips. So if you found this video helpful, remember to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your email marketing effectively. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and useful.